In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Hit OK in the pop-up. And if you want to tap on Timeout to make sure that Infinite is on. When you finished, close your app and go into Tap menu. Now click on this pen at the top right corner. Hit Edit under Full section. Look for your Caffeine shortcut over here and tap on it to add it. Then select Done at the bottom right corner. Click on the top right one. Go back to Tap menu and click on Caffeine shortcut. Lastly, tap on this gray switcher next to Allow permission. Go back to Tap menu again and click on the shortcut to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!